Here's one we don't get into often. 2012 Ford Raptor Supercrew 4x4 truck in tuxedo black metallic, black with blue accent interior. Now, these came with a 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood. This one here has been Whipple charged. Professionally done, nicely done. You'll be able to check out the still pictures of the engine bay. I'll tell you in a little while here where to check those out. This thing's probably in the 600 horse range roughly. I believe that Whipple charger on the 6.2 is around an $8,000 ad when you do them after the fact in the 2012s. Now, still pictures, mentioned that underneath the hood. You want to see it, you want to check out the underside of this truck. Interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, call us to 507-386-1726. Don't believe this one's going to stick around a really long time.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
A couple packages that are on this truck when it was ordered new from Ford. It does have the Sony navigation radio, which was approximately about a $2,500 ad, and it does have the exterior graphics package, which was about $1,000 to $1,100 ad, and you can see that's the flat black Raptor insignia on the hood. Back on the bed sides of it. Go back there and check that out in a little bit too. So yeah, this truck new was probably approaching that low to mid 50,000 range. A lot of good miles left on this one. Right now it only is showing about 49,000, I believe it was. We'll get around, take a look at that odometer here in a second. We check out the interior. Sorry about the glare. This black it looks good and kind of puts a little glare off the camera screen. You can see the reflection of the wall right behind me. It's not full of dings, nicks, dents, scratches up and down the side of it. The interior is practically like new. Shows very, very nice. That Sony navigation radio and all the other goodies that would come with these standard. It does have a tuxedo soft tonneau cover that will roll out on it. I did leave that rolled back just for this video, but you can see the still pictures, the bed cover on it. All right, wheels, looks like Mayhem wheels. Does have what everybody raved about these when they came out in 2012 was the Fox racing shocks. And how these trucks would handle on and off the road just remarkably. And now you throw a supercharger on there. Wow, this will be a fun one, no doubt about that, on or off the road. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You want to double check with sales associate when you call in. Check on this truck. Of course, towing package back here. Tow hooks need to be pulled out of anything, off-roading, anything like that. As far as the rear tailgate, the easy down, it also has a step that will fold out the grab bar for getting up into it. And as you can see, this particular one, rhino linings, spray on bed liner in beautiful shape also. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Here's the rest of that graphics package where you can see the Raptor in flat black back here. Of course, these would have a 6-speed automatic transmission in them. Something new in 2012 too, I believe, was the locking front differential. Go ahead and open this back door out. First of all, take a look at the reflection off that truck also. Great luster to it. It's a black metallic. It is cool. All right, here's your interior. Black with the blue highlights, or accents, as Ford has called it. You can see them in the seats. You can see them in the stitching. Doesn't hardly look like anybody sat in the back seat. And look at how roomy that is. All right, interior. Video and pictures don't do it justice. That Raptor lights up bright blue. Again, accents on the front doors. In this case, the lights. You have the sunroof And again in the front bucket seats. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. That MagnaFlow exhaust on it sounds good. This truck sounds tough, and it should. Power it's putting out. And here's that. Again, Sony navigation radio. Give you a look at. Let's come around over here. Close my door. Better check the air pressure. There we go. 47,324. Gauge cluster, everything all works. No warning indicator lights, except for the fact we need to get a little fuel in this one. Again, please feel free to call. Any questions, check with the sales associate on this truck. Slip around to the back. It's got that bark when it starts up. Mellows out a little bit at idle. I'm sure this one sounds just great going down the road. Unfortunately, I haven't had the opportunity to do that with it yet. It'll sit in our climate-controlled showroom here until the new owner takes delivery of it. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop that hood. Let's at least get a peek at that engine bay quick. All right, of course you have all the amenities: power brakes, power steering, AC blows cold, and now cold air intake. Going to a Ford Racing throttle body looks like there. There's your Whipple charger, Roots style blower on it. Of course, serpentine belt system. That'll help that 6.2-liter put out some power, no doubt about that. And again, professionally done. Good sounding, good running truck. 2012 Ford Raptor Supercrew. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This truck may be eligible for an extended service contract. Double check with your sales associate when you call in or email.